everyone. So today we're going to be doing a very exciting science experiment. So have you all ever wanted to write a secret message that only appears when heat is applied? Well, today we are going to be learning about how to make invisible ink using something that I'm sure every one of you has already seen before. We are going to be using lemon juice. So we will explore how heat can change the color of the lemon juice and then reveal our hidden message. But before we go into our experiment, let's see what kind of materials do we need first.
So for this experiment, we're going to be needing 5 materials. The first material is lemon juice. So this is pre-squeezed lemon juice over here. This is pre-squeezed lemon juice, and I have added a pinch of sugar inside it, and it has to be dissolved. And we also have our A4 paper. I have cut it in half. A4 paper and also our cotton bud so that we can dip into the lemon juice and write it onto the paper. We would also need an ironing board and an iron so that we can apply the heat onto the paper which is written in lemon juice. The first step is that you should take your cotton bud and then dip it into this lemon juice here. Don't dip too much, just a bit is fine as long as the juice is already inside. So as you can see, once the cotton bud tip has turned yellow, that means we know that the lemon juice is inside. We can do a few drawings here. So let's say I'm going to draw a circle over here. So once it is done, once the paper is dried, the lemon juice is dried, you can maybe take another dip inside here and do another round. Okay, then the next step is to wait for the lemon juice to dry. You can either use a fan or your hand to make it dry faster. In this case, I'm going to be using a fan so that it will dry faster. So now that the lemon juice has dried, we are going to be using the iron to press on the paper. So children, during this experiment, you are not allowed to cross the line that the teacher has made. Okay, as the iron is hot, it may burn you, and for safety reasons, the iron is only to be handled by the teacher. And please do not come close when the teacher is using the iron because it is dangerous. So the next part for this is that we're going to be using the iron. So I've already heated up the iron here. So what we are going to do is we're going to press the iron onto the written part. So we're gonna press on it for a while. So as I continue, as you can see, as I am continuing to rub on it, the writing starts to appear. The shape starts to appear. So the longer you press, the color would appear more. So I'm going to let this sit for a few seconds. Okay, after being pressed by the iron for around 10 seconds, do you see the invisible ink? Is it still invisible? No, it is now visible. Okay, children, so here we have another example. I have written this using lemon juice also with the cotton bud, and now that it's dried. So let me ask you, can you see any words written on this paper? No. So how are we supposed to make the words appear if the if the letters are written using lemon juice? Yes, that's correct. We need to apply heat. So the heat that I'm going to use for this experiment is the iron. So what I'm going to do is, what should you do? You should apply it on top. So remember, this is only to be done by the teacher, as an iron is dangerous. So I'm going to rub on it a few seconds. And as you can see, the words are slowly starting to appear. Okay, I'm going to leave it on for a few more seconds. Okay, so it's been a few seconds. Let's see if the words have completely appeared by now. So this is the word that I have written using the lemon juice just now. So what does it say over here? Hello.
So class, today we learned about how heat can change lemon juice when it is written on paper. So I really hope that you had a great time experimenting on this experiment today. And I hope it helps you in the future too. So bye-bye.